Okay, so we will solve this numerical. Okay. A body weighing 300 Newton is pushed up a 30-degree inclined plane by a 400 Newton force acting parallel to the plane. Okay. If the initial velocity of the body is 1.5 meter per second and coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.2, what velocity will the body have after moving 6 meter? Okay, so we will see whatever the given data is there. So that weight of that body is given 300 Newton, then this applied force is given 400 Newton. Okay, then this angle is given 30-degree. Okay, so drawing the free body diagram, so showing the frictional force, so that body is going to move in this direction along the plane, so this will be a direction of motion. Okay, so frictional force will be opposite to that and the normal reaction. Okay, then what are other given data is there, so that if the initial velocity of body is 1.5, so u is given 1.5 meter per second and the coefficient of kinetic friction, okay, mu k is given, coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.2. What velocity will the body have after moving 6 meter? Okay, distance traveled that by that body is given 6 meter. Okay, so this is all the given data is there. So starting the solving the numerical. Okay, so now see, the motion is in this direction. Okay, we can assume this as, okay, x axis, and like let's say this as y axis. Okay, so forces along the plane, that we can say the horizontal forces, and forces perpendicular to the plane, that we can say the vertical force or force in the y direction. Okay, then this 300 Newton force, that weight of the body, so we can resolve that force, okay, like this. So here, so that will be 300 sine 30-degree. Okay, and another component like this, so that will be 300 cos 30-degree. Okay, as usual. Okay, 300 sin 30 and 300 cos 30-degree. Again this angle will be again 30-degree. Okay, so that body is moving horizontally, so we can apply condition of equilibrium in y direction. Okay, and we can apply work energy principle in x direction or in a direction parallel to the plane. Okay, then first I am applying the condition of equilibrium. So using conditions of equilibrium, that's I am doing this first, because by doing this I am knowing the value of n, so value of f. Okay, that f will be equal to 0.2 times n. So by doing this I am knowing value of n, value of f, and that value of f I am going to use while use the work energy principle in this x direction or in the direction parallel to the plane. So using condition of equilibrium, again we have to specify in y direction only. Okay, in y direction. So we can write summation fy equal to 0, summation fy equal to 0, or we can say forces perpendicular to the plane is equal to 0. So we can write n, again we are considering this as positive x y and this is positive x. So n upward minus 300 cos of 30-degree is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Okay, only two forces are there. So value of n, normal reaction, is 259.81 Newton. Okay, 259.81 Newton. So we are knowing this value of the normal reaction n. Okay, then using work energy principle in the x direction. Okay, using work energy principle in x direction. Okay, so what is work energy principle? Work energy principle says work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. Okay, work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. Okay, change in kinetic energy. So for work done we can write force here, that will be summation of force multiplied by the displacement. Now change in kinetic energy is equal to final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. So that will be half of mv square minus half of m into u square. Again here if we take this half of m common, that will be half m into bracket v square minus u square. Again this summation x, so that will be algebraic sum of all the forces. Okay, again sign conventions here, that will be whatever forces, now this direction of motion is like this, so whatever forces are in this direction we will take it as positive, and whatever forces opposite to this we will take it as negative. Okay, so 400 Newton, this applied force in the favor of motion, so positive, minus 300 sin 30 degree, this weight component, okay, opposite to motion, so negative, minus friction force F, okay, minus F, this F is friction force, so that will be this 3 forces, okay, 1, 2 and 3 forces are there, into displacement, so that is given in question as is 6 meters, so multiplied by 6, now is equal to change in kinetic energy, so half. Now the mass of that body, so here weight is given 300 Newton, so mass will be W by G. Okay, we can write W is equal to M into G or M equal to W by G. So here we can write 300 divided by 9.81, so that will be half of M into bracket V square. Okay, now that we have to find out, and this initial velocity is given U, so that is 1.5 square. Okay, so again for this value of F we can write 0.2 into n, or otherwise we can find the value of F here. So F is equal to 0.2 times n, so that will be equal to 0.2 times 259.81. okay, 259.81, so that will be 259.81, so that will be 51.96 Newton. Okay, so putting that value of n and doing the necessary calculations, so we will get 77.71 is equal to V square minus 2.25, and solving this we will get V is equal to 8.942 meter per second. Okay, whatever velocity of unit of this velocity is given, that same unit will be here. Okay, so this will be the final answer. Okay. Okay, that will be all for this numerical. I hope you have understood this numerical. Thank you.